Hey guys, Anthony with Washworks Supply, and today we're going to be going over how you properly plumb a blend manifold. So the way that we do it here at Washworks Supply, anything that chem ever runs through, we always give you guys the ability to flush it out. So today we're going to be talking about what all these valves do and what these lines do as well. So this blend manifold here is a 1-inch blend manifold that you're typically going to see on your AR45s, P40s, dual wash systems. Anything that runs a higher flow, you're going to see a 1-inch blend manifold. So this here, we'll start at the water line. When we start at the water line here, what we have is a line that loops around to the back here, and it comes to a T here. This line here goes down to the tank. This goes to the water tank, and then this one here goes into a 3-way ball valve. This one's set up for a 12-volt system, and with the 12-volt system, you can change it remotely. And this is going to be your flush line for your chemical valve, and I'll explain that to you guys kind of a little bit more in detail here in 1 second. So this one here is going to be chemical. So into this ball valve here, you're currently getting water on one side, chemical on the other, and then this here is going to go to your chemical valve on the front of your blend manifold. So we started here with the water, and then we got that to tee off, go to the back side of the valve. This one here is a soap. So the soap line, this one goes directly from this valve down into the soap tank. So this one goes directly right into here, and then inside there's a drop, and it goes down to the bottom from the bottom of the bulkhead. This one here is your chemical valve. So this is the one that we always need to be able to flush. So with this, we have to be able to push water through this, through the metering valve, through the check valve, and then also through the blend manifold to make sure that we have the ability to flush this out to prolong the life of this valve here. So by doing that on this system here, the way that we do it is with a 12-volt. We also offer it in a manual, so you can flip it with a ball valve manually, or the 12-volt system, which I showed you guys that was on the back of the plate here. The last one here is going to be our neutralizer. So this one here, we run this back to a tank directly as well, and then back to a bulkhead, and that is your neutralizer. So you can remotely turn on this system that we have here, you can remotely turn on the neutralizer or the chemical with a push of a button. On this hose here, this is going to be your feed hose to your soft wash system. So if you're running a 12-volt system, a 24-volt system, a P40, AR45 dual wash, anything like that, this is going to feed that pump. On this side here, what you see is a bypass hose. So this hose here has to be a minimum of 25 feet because of it's acting as a radiator. This is what cools down the pump when you are running your soft wash system in bypass. So that is a little bit about our blend manifolds and how we plumb them to make sure that we can flush all of our valves out. If you guys like this video, you guys can check out our other videos that we have here on YouTube. Thanks, guys.